as I said, even when you chant, if it at one unknown, unexpected moment, second, it will all synchronize. You will be in the quantum field. And the quantum field, the quantumized sound, which is the energy equivalent of material world, will do its job. And this is how the yogis, the siddhas, the gurus manifest. That's why I used to tell people, don't ask for more hours, ask for more money. Be straightforward. If you ask for more hours, you'll get more hours. So Shreem Brzee will be a protection. It's a divine protection. She's goddess at the same time, a quantum particle. If you want to understand it, according to quantum physics. But what is important is to get results. You can go and look at millions of people have worked on this sound. So now the new teaching that I'm going to do is how to maximize its power by quantumizing the sound through the knowledge that has come to me. It keeps coming to me all the time. I will stop it here and so one thing that I want to tell you that, inside is outside. This is the last thing that I want to say. Don't blame anyone. If you want to blame someone, blame it yourself. There is the knowledge, and then you have to do it, and then change whatever reality you want to change.